Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of timber. Wood prepared for use in building and carpentry. For example, the exploitation of forests for timber. American pronunciation. Timber. Timber. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Timber. Say. Timber. Timber means wood prepared for use in building and carpentry. Timber. Timber. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The next stage will involve building 340 timber lodges. Now, repeat after me. The next stage will involve building 340 timber lodges. The second practice. One of the problems he faces is access to prepared timber. Now, repeat after me. One of the problems he faces is access to prepared timber.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.